Hi! Here in the Philippines, we have Cash Daily, which means you borrow 5,000 and pay back 6,000 pesos. And this is very popular among small business owners. And it is called 5-6. How this works, you borrow 5,000 and pay back 6,000 pesos divided by 40 days. So you pay the lender 150 pesos cash daily. But not everyone pay on time. Some are delayed, some are very delayed. And some of the borrower will hide from the lender daily. But some also will disappear forever, and this is called
ghosting.
And the lender, of course, will get mad because in Tagalog it's logi negosyo. And the good thing, not only you can borrow cash, but you can loan for refrigerator, TV, rice cooker, and many other house appliances. But recently, President Duterte of the Philippines was not happy and promised to ban 5-6 because it can only make the poor poorer and the rich richer. And in our local dialect, it's called lubog utang. Because there is a saying, ang taong nagigipit sa patalim kumakapit. Don't live a pretentious life. In local dialect, it's called wag ambisyosa. Be contented of what you can afford. Be contented of what you have. This is my more than 1 minute video, and see you every other day. Bye!
Kamusta ka na kaibigan? Deadline na ng iyong utang, panahon na para magbayad ka ng mga utang mo. Sisingilin na kita, handa mo na ang iyong pera, abangan mo na rin ang motor ko sa labas ng bahay mo.